In the last video we had gone through the setting options. Now only two options are left. At the bottom there are CSV backup and restore option and cloud backup and restore option. First go through the CSV backup and restore, the second last blue color option. Here there is option to export the CSV backup or import import from CSV backup. If I want to export CSV backup, then I just need to click it here, and it will show that CSV backup file has been exported, and I can send this backup file to mail or WhatsApp or through to my Google Drive. After that, if I need to change my mobile or I need to format my mobile, after that I just need to install this application, come here in the CSV backup section and use this second option, import from CSV backup. I need that backup file before using this application that I have created previously from this exporting option. After that, I will click on this import from CSV backup option, come here, and then after I will go through my file system. I will go to easy accounts folder where I have put the file, and I will choose any of these CSV backup file that I have just created. And after that, if I select these files, it will show me all the transactions that there are there are in the file, and at the bottom there is this restore option. I will click on that and it will say that all the data has been restored successfully. So whenever I want to change or format mobile, then this option is very useful. And the similar option is for cloud backup and restore. I can just use the second button from the bottom, the create backup now, the green color button. I will click on this and it will say backup created successfully, and I will see the new individual backup entry here, the 21st June. And if I want to restore, like I have formatted the mobile and I have deleted all the accounts like this, say let me delete all the accounts. One by one I am deleting all the accounts, so that if I want to restore, then I can restore all the accounts back. I had created backup before deleting all the accounts. Now say I have formatted mobile or I have just cleared the data, then I will go to the cloud backup restore option. I will long press on this backup entry, it will turn green. Then there is blue color this at the bottom, the restore now. I will just click on this restore now button, and all the data that I have created backup for, all the data, then it will automatically come again for me, like restore now, and it is asking it is saying backup restore successfully. Now I can go to the uh, list again, and I can see that all the accounts have been fetched again for me. I had deleted it previously and now I have selected, I have restored the backup. So that was backup and restore option if you want to change or format mobile. And the backup is really necessary because the application working is completely offline. So if you want to change or format mobile, then you will need this backup option. After that there is this our YouTube channel for where we upload all the new features and all the introductory videos or all the options video. uh, in the middle you will see this white button, and it is written here, click for helping videos to get started. Just click it here and it will and you will go to this YouTube channel. Let me click again, and now this is our YouTube channel. You can see all the helpful videos for this uh, application here. You can send us message on WhatsApp, or comment on videos on the YouTube to for any queries or suggestion. Thank you.